Hey, it's Sarah with Happy Hootie. Today I'm here to talk about Pilates rings. It's actually something I never really thought about until I started going to a Pilates studio. And I have lower back issues, and it has helped me so much. So I wanted to show you guys, so if you did have issues or even just wanted to strengthen, you can decide which one is better for you. And first I bought the cheap one I found on Amazon. I've got my little helpers here, like anybody that has dogs would know, they're always in your business when you work out. So they're here to be my assistants. So this is the Pro Body Pilates. It was about $24-ish on Amazon. And we can put the links down below so you guys can see it as well. This one was nice. It did come with a little exercise chart so you can get different ideas of exercises. For me, I mean, you can glance at it, but I'd rather just look online, watch YouTube, see the different videos on how to do them so you can watch proper postures and follow along with the instructors. That didn't really do a whole lot for me. I like this one because it was cheap. What I didn't like about it is it's very lightweight. It has this foam tubing on it, so it can easily get caught on anything and tear that tubing. If you leave it out, if you did have one of your helpers that was a chewer, they can chew this up and ruin it pretty quick for you too. So on the rings, they do have the inner and the outer handles, so you can work both parts of your muscle. So you can go out and you can push in, so you can work different parts of the muscle. One of the big things I liked about this was the price, obviously. For a beginner, I think this would be really good. I've been exercising and doing Pilates a lot, so the idea that I can bend it almost all the way, that's not gonna hold up very long. I also feel like this plastic, this is just on the inner tube here. This is just plastic. I actually brought a little magnet here so you can see. It doesn't stick, it is just a piece of plastic. So it makes me worried that it's going to snap on me. And the last thing I want is, as I'm doing this, is this piece of plastic to fling up and hit me in the face. Kind of ruin your day. So because I didn't feel real safe with this Pilates ring, the Pilates studio that I go to is a Stott Merrithew Pilates studio, and this is the one they use. And I hesitated getting it first because it was about twice the price. It was about $50 on Amazon. We'll put that link below as well. But this one is almost 3-4 times as heavy as this guy. It is made of full steel. So here's my magnet, and it is stuck on there. Like this isn't going anywhere. This is made for professional use, and the amount that I can squeeze in on it, like it is a lot harder. So this actually was really good on my legs to be able to help adjust my hips, because I mean, your legs are stronger than your arms. So when I was using it straight for that, it actually felt more stable for me. The foam pads on the inside are a lot better quality as well. They have the inside and the outside foam pads. And as you can see, it's just multiple layers of steel ring all the way around it. So here I'm gonna show you with this ring, just the full strength, because I use this for my hips, because it helps strengthen your outer and inner thighs to help keep you in alignment. So as I squeeze in my full strength, I have it almost together. So as I get stronger, it's gonna get closer and closer together. I'm very afraid that it's going to snap. But as a beginner that's just kind of learning, or for a physical therapy sort of thing, just to kind of move, this would probably be fine. I'm gonna get out the Merrithew one and do the exact same thing. They are both 14-inch rings, so they're the same size. The Merrithew actually offers a 12-inch one for anybody under 5'4". Because under 5'4", you don't need to spread out as much because you're not as long. I'm a very tall person, so I need this longer one. So here's the Merrithew one at full strength, squeezing it. There is a lot still there to do. So after reviewing them both, it really is kind of up to the person as to which one they want for themselves. For me, I really like this stronger one because I want to be able to grow with it. I don't want to be maxed out and kind of being scared that I'm going to hurt it. But like I said, everybody has their own budgets, they have their own restrictions. I just wanted to show you the goods and the bads of both of the products and hope that helps you make an informed decision for yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.